Hi everybody! Here's another video for you all. So I just wanted to make a video of the Happymail that I received from Papelatbp from Jho Pescasio. I actually met her during one of the event in Craft Create Swap. So I was her swap mate, so I sent her something and then we began chatting about some of the craft items that I sent over her way. And then, you know, she's so kind. We chat about everything. She sometimes gives me tips, and most of the time she also, you know, asks questions about the video, etc. So now I just wanted to, you know, make this video because I received a lot this Happymail. So we actually have another swap, personal swaps, which includes this very pretty 9-pocket swap that she made, and then I'm gonna send over mine as well. And this is what she made me there, and this is what's included in the back of this swap. So this is very pretty, Jho. Thank you very much for sending this. And not only that, so she's actually in the US, might as well make the most of, you know, the package that she's sending. So I also purchased some of the items from her store, but not only that, she sent me a lot of goodies as well. So Jho, thank you for this. Thank you for the coconut oil, for the almonds, for this coffee. I really appreciate all of this, you know, nice stuff. So I'm just gonna set this aside and I'm gonna show over what she has actually sent me from her store. So this is the Prima flowers. I really love the colors there. And then this is the first time that I'm gonna unhold everything from this particular set. So this is really a nice set. However, I already used one of this, the memory dex card die cut metal. I really love this. I'm gonna show you. So this is what the project looks like after. So I used everything in here in this die cut metal, and these are the two projects that I was able to make from that. So this one is 3D. It has layers. Yeah, this one too. Yep. So there you go. This is for this one. And then we're gonna, both of us, it will be just the first time that we're gonna see what's in this pack. So this is another die cut metal for memory dex card. So I haven't used this. I'm hoping to, you know, make a sample of that one as well. Next would be, so this is a kit. Let's see what's in the kit. Oh, so she already made me some templates of memory dex cards. Very nice. These are corner rounded ones. We have plains, but this is really thick. I really love it. And these are double-sided. Wow. Thank you so much, Jho. I really like this kit now. Next, let's see what else is inside. So we have these two mini washi tapes. This one is gold foiled. Let's open this. We have in here. Ooh. Oh, nice. I think we have a lot of trinkets and a lot of embellishments. Oh, I like this. And then we have washi tape samplers. So I love the mustard color of this one. We also have some stickers and die cuts. Oh, so there's actually a lot in here. Another stickers. There. Wow. Loads and loads and loads of cuteness. So I'm just gonna bring it back here. so we won't lose those tiny trinkets inside. But I guess you saw how many this was. So just put it back here. Then I'm gonna show you the other ones. Ooh, I love this. So these are 3Ds as well, dimensional stickers from the Paper Studios, part of her kit. We also have this transparent stickers from Paper Studios as well, and double-ended dual-tip Bible markers from the Gracious Maker. Ooh, nice. Have a nice tip in there. This one is a bit rounder, I think. And let's see, what's this one? This one is prayer cards. Ooh, I love this. Let's check out what's inside. Wow, I really love the color. And then at the back, you have a lot of these Bible verses that you can use. You can actually make like a flip stand for this one. You can just punch a hole somewhere here, and then you will have like a calendar standee for your daily Bible verses, right? So I love this. Really like this one. Next, we do have printouts of different Bible verses as well. Wow, super nice. And another stickers. I think this is a very good sticker set. Yeah, I love it. And I think these are sample cardstocks on her set. So she included different cardstocks. Oh, I like your kit, Jho. So there you go, guys. If you wanted to check out some of her kits, so you can just message Papelatbp, or you can find Jho Pescasio in Facebook and Instagram as well, and Papelatbp in Facebook and Instagram. So this is hers. So thank you, Jho. Thank you for all of this. This is really crazy fun kit. Thank you. Bye, everybody.